Django Http404 and DEBUG mode catch-22. I'm using the static files app during development, which doesn't work unless debug is turned on. From the docs. Warning: this will only work if debug is true. That's because this view is grossly inefficient and probably insecure. This is only intended for local development, and should never be used in production. Additionally, when using static files _L patterns, your static _URL setting can't be empty or a full URL, such as this URL. I'm trying to view my Http404 templates, though, and of course they don't work in debug mode. So I'm in a catch-22. If I want to view the 404 page, I have to turn off debug, but then no static files or servers, and I can't see any images, etc.
You can simply pretend you are in production. Run. To have all your files copied to static_root. Then, temporarily add the following to earls.py. You'll have to run collect static each time you make a change to any static files, so I would suggest live editing in something like Firebug and then saving the finished product. Also, remember to delete the static directory and remove that line from earls.py when you're done.